హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, అందరూ బాగుండాలని కోరుకుంటూ ఈరోజు మనం ఈ వీడియోలో 9th క్లాస్ సమ్మేటివ్ 2 మ్యాథ్స్ పేపర్ గురించి తెలుసుకుందాం. మ్యాక్సిమం మార్క్స్ 100, టైం 3 hours 15 minutes. సెక్షన్ ఏ, ఫస్ట్ సెక్షన్, ఆన్సర్ ఆల్ క్వశ్చన్స్ in one word or phrase. Simplest rationalization factor of root 8 is. Next, angles in the same segment of a circle are. Third one, value of the polynomial p of x is equal to 5 plus 2x yet x is equal to minus 1. Fourth one, self evident statement which doesn't require any proof are called. Fifth one, the position of 2 3 and 3 2 represents same on the graph paper. True or false? Sixth one, the figure formed by joining the midpoints of sides of a quadrilateral successively is dash. Seventh one, in the Heron's formula, which of the following is correct? Next, statement. Eighth one. Ninth one, express the following statement as linear equations in two variables. Write ASA congruence rule. Match the following. 12th one, the name of the graph is. 13th one, section 2, evaluate 102 and 98 by using suitable identity. Next one, find the each angle of an equilateral triangle. 15th one, find the volume of a sphere whose base diameter is 14 centimeters. 16th, examine whether x plus 2 is a factor of x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 6. 17th, write the Heron's formula and explain the each term in it. 18th one, write any two Euclid's postulates. Next, 19th one. 20th, draw the neat diagram of the following. Next, section 3, four marks. Next, section 4, each question carries 8 marks. 5 into 8, 40. (32). 33rd problem. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel.